Welcome to my net worth update to September 2025 at my age at 17. Hey guys, my name's Y here and I'm 17, and this is my September 2025 net worth update. Last month I just finished around with $32,000 last month, and there's been a lot of movements across my account, so I'll be breaking down all my assets, show you all my dividends and my trading profits that are added up, and share some of my plans for reinvesting and growing my net worth even faster. So let's go ahead and jump in. So the first is my savings. Last month I had $16.39, and now I'm currently down $2. The reason being is because I use the majority of the money for eToro or crypto. I don't really use money in my bank account. But from my last video, I got a comment from one of you guys saying I should get money for emergencies and leave it in a high yield savings account. So I did take notes of this, and so I'll show you guys the comment. It basically means stay home, save, stack cash. You guys can see if you guys don't get me. This is basically all. You guys could just pause right here, you read it if you want. So if you guys have comments just like that, let me know, because I actually plan on following his advice for the high yield savings account. So let's go ahead and move on to the next bit of the portfolio, which is our investment one, our biggest part of our portfolio, the second bit of our assets. So just last month we are at $9,969. September, let's go ahead and see. So we're gonna go ahead and throw our portfolio screen up here so you guys go. So you guys can see we dropped quite a bit. I'll just throw in the math by the side of the portfolio at the end. But so you guys can see $11,198.71. So that is a massive jump compared to last month. Keep in mind I didn't even put in at least $1,000 extra, and this is pure profit from the stocks itself. I don't really touch the stocks unless necessary. Though I realize that my exposure to the S&P 500 is quite low right now, so over the next couple months I'm going to be contributing more into the S&P 500. Diversification is key, so I don't want all my money in one place, because you guys can see that my largest holding stocks takes up more than 50% of my stocks, which is just one particular stock. So if something goes wrong with the company, I'll lose quite a lot of money. Hopefully that doesn't happen. I'm planning on holding 22WO long term. Now the last bit of the portfolio is my dividends, right? So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that. So I'm going to go show you guys here, dual funds. You guys see my September dividends. So this is my very first dividend payouts: 26 per share, 27 per share, 18 per share. So these are in cents. You guys can see these are for each of the stocks, how much after taxes, how much for each share. So I'll log them individually. So you guys can see this is our monthly dividend payout, which is our very first. So we got a few coming up soon. So this month alone from eToro we made $1,000, $1,229, which is crazy. I don't even work a job, so this is just from stocks, which is pretty good, from not even passive income, but just yeah. So we got a mystery mark on our September crypto portfolio. So our crypto portfolio has dropped from 274 to $124.17. So we made $121 profit. So this includes the money from the super account, which you guys can see the -30. So I'm just going to show that without revealing stuff. So I'm going to be investing more into crypto long term. I see some long term growth potential, I can't lie. But to have some safer investments, I'll be balancing it out with the index fund. So the superannuation, I got $0 because I needed to request information, which I didn't fill in, so the money was refunded immediately, so which just left it in there. Otherwise I probably would have bought food, which I low-key got bad management money. That's why I just go straight into stocks, so I don't regret it, you know. So I do have another part of this video of me recording this morning, but I have around $2,027. So this counts as September. I won't be including this $400 trade. So whatever this is contributed to October, so this won't count. But that's awesome. I'm at $400 ish this month. So you guys can see that we lost $1,085, and I was able to bounce back and make the $1,000 back. Awesome. So you guys can see that this is what I basically do. Just pretty awesome that I'm able to make around $2,000 ish, including my Mercedes vehicle, the 2016 CLA 200. I'm not sure if I included that, but the estimate worth is $21,000. It's showing dollars. This is a disclaimer, so I'll convert everything into US dollars at the end. But that's basically me breaking down my net worth. So this is the total net worth at the end of the video. Here it is with the US dollar conversion. $34,000, $357.64 in Australian dollars, where you convert it to the US dollar is $22,715.04. So this is pretty awesome. I'm 17. I don't have a job yet, so how I accumulate this money is through a mini side hustle that I did for around 1 year, and I stopped doing it. I'm not sure why I low-key stopped, but I could get into it, but I prefer not, just because of I don't have the equipment for it now. So overall in this video we accumulated 2,000 or 2,300, I think, just this month without a job. I think that's pretty impressive. Well, not impressive, but my main priority now is to sell this car I have, reinvest it, so probably get like a nice 2005 Toyota or something like that. Do some side hustles for like DoorDash and stuff, as well as working a job, which is what I'm going to be doing and be hustling. I'm also employing for the army, which I actually want to train discipline. Like, I want to commit, actually, like, which is pretty awesome too. But if you guys want to see videos like this, make sure to like, subscribe. I've currently only got 1 subscriber, so be sure to like and subscribe.